So this is a section you have to put the, I think, hot water. I think it's about 1 gallon here. And then this is a section you're going to store the dirty water. And then that is the section for the solution tank, which is at the back here. So let me try. Okay, so this is a section we're going to clean. This is before using the vacuum. Let me try right now. So this is the floor after we use the Hoover wet vacuum. Thing is pretty good so far, I think. See, they use all the water and they also use most of the solution. And then this is the dirty water. That's pretty dirty.